Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something super important in software development. It's called Solid Principles. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in very simple language. So even if you're a beginner, you'll easily understand. Let's start with the basics. What is solid? Solid is not just a word. It's actually an acronym. Each letter stands for one software design principle. These principles help us write clean, easy to understand, and flexible code. The first letter is S. It stands for Single Responsibility Principle. This means every class should do only one job, not two, not three, just one. For example, if you have a class called Printer, it should only handle printing. It should not also send emails or save files. One class, one responsibility. Simple and clean. Next is O. It stands for Open-Closed Principle. This says, your code should be open for extension, but closed for modification. Let me explain. Suppose you made a calculator. Now you want to add a new function, like square root. You should be able to add new code, but not change the old code that already works. That way, your old code stays safe and working. Now the letter L. It stands for Liskov Substitution Principle. Sounds fancy, right? But it's simple. If Class A works fine, then Class B, which is a child of A, should also work the same way. For example, if you have a class bird and then a class sparrow that extends it, sparrow should behave like a bird. But if you create a penguin class and say penguins can fly, that would break the rule. Because penguins can't fly. So child classes must follow the behavior of their parent. Now comes I. This stands for Interface Segregation Principle. This means don't force a class to use things it doesn't need. Imagine you have an interface with two methods, work and eat. Now let's say you have a robot class. It can work, but it doesn't eat. So why should it be forced to use the eat method? That's wrong. Instead, break big interfaces into smaller ones. Give each class only what it needs. Last is D. It stands for Dependency Inversion Principle. This one is very useful. It says, you should depend on interfaces, not concrete classes. Let's say your app uses an Oracle database. Instead of writing code that says new Oracle database, you should write it in a way that uses an iDatabase interface. That way, if you want to switch to MongoDB or something else, you don't have to change all your code. Just switch the implementation behind the interface. Let's do a quick recap. Single responsibility, one job per class. Open-closed, add new code, don't touch old code. Liskov. Substitution, child classes should act like parents. Interface segregation. Don't give extra stuff to classes. Dependency, inversion. Use interfaces, not fixed classes. Why should you care about Solid? Because it helps you write code that is easy to read, easy to test, easy to maintain, and easy to grow in the future. That's why professional developers love these principles. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple software explanations. Remember, solid code follows solid principles.